Listen and repeat. Put off, put off. Meaning, postpone or delay something. Example: we had to put off the meeting because the manager was sick. We had to put off the meeting because the manager was sick. Put on, put on. Meaning, wear clothes or accessories. Example: she puts on her jacket before going out. She puts on her jacket before going out. Put away, put away. Meaning, return something to its proper place. Example: please put away your books after class. Please put away your books after class. Put out, put out. Meaning, stop a fire or cigarette from burning. Example: the firefighters quickly put out the fire. The firefighters quickly put out the fire. Put up with, put up with. Meaning, tolerate or accept something annoying. Example: I can't put up with loud music while studying. I can't put up with loud music while studying. Put down, put down. Meaning, criticize or make someone feel stupid. Example: he always puts down his brother in front of friends. He always puts down his brother in front of friends. Put back, put back. Meaning, return something to its original place. Example: please put the milk back in the fridge. Please put the milk back in the fridge. Put through, put through. Meaning, connect someone on the phone. Example: the receptionist put me through to the sales department. The receptionist put me through to the sales department. Put together, put together. Meaning, assemble or organize something. Example: we put together the new table in 1 hour. We put together the new table in 1 hour. Put forward. Put forward, meaning suggest an idea. Example: she puts forward a great idea during the discussion. She puts forward a great idea during the discussion. Listen and repeat. Put off, put on, put away, put out, put up with, put down, put back, put through, put together. Remember, practice makes perfect. So let's finish strong with a fun 10-question quiz. Don't forget to tell me your score in the comments. That's it for today's quiz. You did great. If you want to master more phrasal verbs, check out my other videos right here. See you in the next lesson.